everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a lovely pancake recipe. Now pancakes is something that we all enjoy for breakfast, and this particular pancake can be enjoyed either for breakfast or for a nice evening snack. I'm going to share this lovely souffle pancake recipe. Now there are a couple of techniques and tips that are involved in making this perfectly, so make sure you follow all the steps. Now let's get started and check out the recipe. For the fluffy souffle pancakes, first I'm going to separate the egg yolks and the whites. So for this recipe I've taken about 4 eggs. Crack open the eggs and separate the yolk and whites. Keep them in a separate bowl. Now I'm going to transfer the egg whites into a larger bowl because we're going to whisk these separately. So I'm just going to refrigerate this for a few minutes till we whisk the egg yolks. To a bowl, add the egg yolks, whisk them nicely. So after you whisk the egg yolks, add the milk. Now I've taken about 7 tablespoons of boiled and cooled milk. To this add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. I've taken 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, that is maida, for this recipe. To this I'm adding a pinch of salt. Next add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Now I'm going to beat the chilled egg whites. After beating the egg whites for a few seconds, add 1 tablespoon of sugar. We're going to add the sugar at intervals. I've taken 4 tablespoons of sugar totally, so I'm adding 1 tablespoon at intervals. Beat the egg whites till you get nice stiff peaks and they're nice and fluffy. So now we have the egg yolks and the egg whites. Now we're going to gradually mix the egg whites into the egg yolk mixture. Take a little bit of the egg white mixture. So you can see how slowly and gradually I'm mixing the egg whites into the yolk mixture. So now we've mixed half of the egg whites. I'm just going to transfer the entire mixture back into this bowl. Now you can see the entire batter is ready. I've gradually mixed it. Make sure you don't whisk it too hard. You want to maintain that fluffiness. The batter is done. Now let's start making the pancakes. Heat the pan and maintain the flame on a low throughout. So just grease the pan with a little oil. Gently wipe off the excess oil. Spoon a little bit of the pancake mixture onto the pan. Now I'm using a tablespoon. Add 1 tablespoon at a time, gently on top of the other. So initially I'm adding 3 tablespoons. So first I'm going to make 2 pancakes. To the pan add about 1 to 2 teaspoons of water. Close the pan and let it cook for about 2 minutes on low flame. After 2 minutes, open the pan and add another tablespoon on top of the pancake. It's important that you maintain the time perfectly on these pancakes because if you overcook them, they can become flat. Add another teaspoon of water and close the pan. After 2 minutes, flip the pancakes gently and very carefully to the other side. After you've flipped it, add another 2 teaspoons of water, close the pan and cook for another 2 minutes on low flame. After 2 minutes, remove the pancakes from the pan and serve it hot with some butter and maple syrup. here are these incredibly soft and fluffy, delicious souffle pancakes. They are best enjoyed right out of the pan when it's still nice and warm. So serve it immediately and enjoy. So you'll get about 5 to 6 pancakes with this batter mixture, but if you want to make more, you can always add more eggs and double the quantity. Wow, those fluffy souffle pancakes are an absolute delight. So make sure you follow all those techniques to get it perfectly. I've served it with some nice maple syrup and some butter by the side and some also fresh fruits. You can serve it with chocolate sauce, with honey, or just plain powdered sugar. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends.